Hi, and welcome to the Daily Market Commentary with me, Jan Muta, Chief Market Analyst for TIOmarkets, and please do remember that we do not provide investment advice. I want to stress that nothing in this presentation is to be considered as investment advice, and all is made available purely as educational and marketing material. So you should pause this video, read through the disclaimer, and only proceed with the disclaimer if you agree with it. So, in today's market news, we have the bank stocks being sold, we have investors being scared of legal battles, management changes, all the uncertainties related to potential consequences from the revelations in FinCEN files. And this obviously relates to HSBC and other major banks helping the criminals, at least passively, to launder illegal funds worth of more than $2 trillion over the last 2 decades. So this is serious. This is one of the biggest and probably the biggest case ever that has come to light. So follow the bank stocks and follow the news flow, how it impacts the stock market. We will look at the charts in a separate video today, but let's move on now with Australia. We have Bank of Australia, Reserve Bank of Australia, considering several different ways on how to intervene with their economy, how to counter the impact of coronavirus. So the pandemic has had negative consequences to the economy. So they are considering currency interventions, they are considering lower rates and even negative rates. Although they are saying this is unlikely to happen in the near future, but those negative rates are still part of their sort of policy toolbox. This has caused weakness in Australian dollar today. The uncertainty in UK is still continuing. We have rising numbers of coronavirus cases in Europe and especially in UK, where there was reportedly over 4,000 new cases. This means 400,000 400,000 total cases and almost 42,000 deaths. New restrictions on movements are likely to take place, and that's basically because the government doesn't want to create a situation where we have another lockdown on the economy and another sort of set of bad consequences for the UK economy. And also they want to avoid sort of long-term consequences that often mean increased poverty, and increased poverty tends to bring mental problems. So those will be very expensive for the society in the long run, so they want to avoid those. Now, obviously, the Prime Minister, scrapping the Brexit deal is going to cause more uncertainty, and this you can see in pound USD. I was saying earlier that it's unlikely that pound USD can go above 130. And this indeed is what happened. It rallied to 130, tried to get through the level a couple of times, but failed just as we expected. And now it's you can see the weakness in the currency. So keep on following the price action, and we're going to do that in another video today. So stay tuned for our YouTube channel. Stay tuned for further analysis, and while we produce new material, you can do a big favor to me. You can go and share these links with your friends and give us thumbs up and comment in YouTube if you like what we do. Obviously, we are providing this to you for free, so maybe I could ask your sort of friendly favor from you. Maybe you can share this with other people so they can see what good, solid analysis and material we are providing at TIOmarkets. So today's macroeconomic data is, apart from the UK public sector borrowing numbers, we have the sort of central bank talk from the Governor Bailey, and we have Fed Chair Powell testifying later on today. You can check the times for these events in our calendar. So a kind of thin calendar today. Go to TIOmarkets.com and there you will find the economic calendar. Now, tomorrow is going to be a very exciting day, so I want to give you a heads up already now. We have a bunch of PMI data from France, Germany, EU, UK, US. So stay tuned for more analysis on this. Stay tuned on price action. You need to be ready to trade these tomorrow. Then obviously, if the numbers are very close to the expected numbers, there might not be volatility, but at the same time, we might see strong movements if the real confirmed numbers divert from far away from the expectations, because then different market participants have to re-evaluate their positions and then obviously go buy or sell, and then therefore they move the prices. So stay tuned for this, and I look forward to seeing you in new analysis videos where I will look at currency pairs and stock markets. And until to the next video, thank you and trade safe. Never trade without stops, and always adjust your trade sizes so that you don't get beaten too badly if the market goes against you. Trading is about survival. Trading is about being there for the next day. You don't want to miss that opportunity to be in this wonderful game tomorrow, and that's why you need to protect your capital to make sure you are available, you are able to fight tomorrow as well and take opportunities when they present themselves. As you can see from my past analysis, there are multiple opportunities coming up all the time. So trading is not about single event. Trading is about, you can look at, say, 20 trades, 30 trades, 40 trades, and see if your strategy works. If you need help in that regard, come to my webinars, and I will be more than happy to help you to trade better and to learn to be a better trader. So thank you once again. Trade safe. See you soon.